Unwrapping the Joy, the phrase, happy days. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a delightful English phrase that's as sunny as a day on the beach. Happy days. It's a phrase that packs a punch of positivity, and by the end of this video, you'll be using it to spread cheer in your conversations. Happy days is an expression that's used to reflect a feeling of pure joy or contentment. Think of those moments when everything just feels right in the world. Maybe you've aced a test, found $1 on the ground, or just enjoyed a great meal with friends. When you say, happy days, it's like you're giving a high five to life itself. This phrase isn't just modern slang. It has its roots deep in history. It became widely popular in the mid-20th century and even more so with the American television show, Happy Days, which aired in the 1970s and 1980s. The show portrayed the idealized happy American life in the 1950s and 1960s, further cementing the phrase in popular culture. You can use happy days in a variety of scenarios to express satisfaction or happiness about an event or situation. For example, when you've completed a difficult task. I finally finished my thesis, happy days. When something goes your way unexpectedly. They had my favorite ice cream at the store, happy days. To show you're looking forward to something, it's nearly the weekend, happy days. There are a few variations of the phrase that carry a similar meaning. Phrases like, good times, best days, or joyful moments, can all be used interchangeably depending on the context and your personal style. And that's a wrap on Happy Days. We hope this video has brightened your day and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with happy days, and we're here to enjoy every step with you. Until next time, keep practicing, and happy days.